Hello, hello, hello! Welcome once again to another video. Today I'm gonna have a look at Indy Heat on the Commodore 64. And I just reviewed this game on the Amiga and it was very good, so let's see how it plays on the Commodore 64. So let's just go down here, start the game up, speed up the emulation. There you go now. Alright, so here I can multi-load, yes. I can change sound if I want to. Now it's just sound effects. If I want to have silence, I can choose that. If I want this beautiful tune in the background, I can choose that. But I'm just gonna go with the sound effects. And let's rock and roll here. Let's press fire, A, that's me today. And I can select my driver here. I'm just going to go with this dude here, perhaps. And I'm just going to let the computer pick. I can of course pick if I want to. I can go with the. I can try to pick engine and the turbo. Why not? Hope for the best. Start race. Let's burn some rubber. This is Illinois. 5 laps. And I drive in this blue car. I'm just pushing fire button on my joypad. And there is automatic turbo, so I don't have to care about that. And round we go. Round and round and round and round we go. I'm leading. And now I have to go into the pit. There is no speech here, so it just flickers. That indicates I have to go into the pit to get some service. And hope the bastards don't push me out of the pit and I'm pushing them out of the pit because I'm an evil bastard. So here we go. And this last lap now. So that's a cool feature, that you can screw the others over and they can screw you over. So it's pretty even. So I will manage to win that one. That's 20 points for Goodison AAA, also known as AAA. So here we go. Let's I can pick. I can do some turbos. I can invest in my crew. I have 30,000 more. Let's put in some turbo again. Yeah, I'm learning this game now. So Indianapolis now, classic circuit. And off we go again. So I mean, it looks kind of decent, I must say. Little grey, little bit murky. But it looks decent. Sound effects is a little bit noisy, but oh shit! I didn't mean to do that. I don't want to pit. Yeah, I mean now it's time for me to pit. So you cannot do shortcuts here like you could do in the Amiga version. You can actually do shortcuts through the pits to gain time, but here you cannot do that. So here we go. No time for pit. I'm in the lead. So round and round and round and round we go. Ooh, that was a little bit slower there in the last meters. So victorious AAA once again. So now 100,000. Whoa. Let's more turbos, more engine. 20,000. I cannot afford anything. Loading track C. Oh, New Jersey, okay. So now it's getting a little bit technical here. Oh shit. More bends. And I'm... Oh shit. Yeah, I managed to do a shortcut there, actually. But I'm dead last. I am dead last. Now I have to pit. Hurry up. I am so behind. This is embarrassing. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I think I ended up last. But can I continue anyway? Yes, continue. So 100,000. Turbo. I'm just gonna invest everything in turbo. So there you go. So this is will be my last circuit for today. Is it Western Canada? Eastern Canada, okay. Wow, now we're talking. This is looks a little bit tricky, this one. Oh, many bands here. And I'm bumping into everything. But I'm in the lead. I believe I have to go into the pit zone. Yes, no, it indicates. That band is a little bit tricky. There you go. Hurry up, you crew. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. There you go. Yes, I'm out. Oh, the red car is really annoying here. Piss off. I have to go into the pit again. So this is lap number 5 out of 6, I think. Don't remember now. Is it, or is it more? No, there are more laps. Was it 8? I have to go into the pit again. Oh, the red car is leading. I ended up 3rd, I think. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky, this one. I thought the Amiga version was a little bit easier. But it's a cool game, cool version. Yeah, of course I prefer the Amiga version, but that is a 16-bit game, so it's a little bit different. It's much more advanced, so but it's a very cool version, this one. So I'm gonna give this one 6 out of 10. So that's it for today. That was Indy Heat on the Commodore 64. Have a good one, everyone. Take care. Goodbye.